I am thankful to Dr. Devika for inviting me to dedicate the video presentation on Ahimsa. The presentation through Natya Nadanam conveys the power of Ahimsa. It gives happiness to all those whom it embraces. The video further sends strong message of Ahimsa. It is the answer to all our individual problems and geopolitical issues plaguing us at present. It has a positive effect on the person who trusts and believes. He receives all the virtues on the earth, and at the same time all sins are wiped out of him, and he lives in peace and harmony. The video is in 5 parts, Panchatattva, clearly depicting water, fire, earth, sky and air. The music by Bombay Jayasree, choreography by Sri S. Premnath, and the dancers need all appreciation for their efforts. Here I wish to add that Jainism emphasizes on Ahimsa, and Mahabharata too says Ahimsa Paramo Dharma. I wish to again thank the resource person, Dr. Devika, for dedicating the video to the Abhay Home for Girls. I would like to encourage more and more discourses on Ahimsa. My best wishes to the team that has put this together. Thank you.
For the birds, the freedom of flying in the sky. For the thirsty, the relief of a glass of water. Food for the hungry. For the one drowning in the ocean, the sail of a ship. For the homeless, a roof. Balm for the one with pain. For the tired traveler, a bed. Ahimsa Devi protects all. The earth, water, fire, plants, the living and the non-living. They all have a soul. Ahimsa Devi protects various jivas which are suffering from the unhappiness of the world. She is the basis of all happiness.
Nirvana Nivritti Samadhi Shakti Kirti Kanti Radi Virati Shrutunga Tripti Daya Vimukti Kshanti Samyakta Varadana
is the cause of liberation and peace.
Nivritti.
She keeps mental health.
Samadhi.
She is the cause of equanimity,
Shakti.
the cause of spiritual power,
Kirti.
cause of fame,
Kanti.
cause of radiance,
Radi. Virati.
produces attachment and oneness, creates detachment,
Shrutunga.
keeps us in perfect alignment with knowledge,
Tripti. Daya. Vimukti.
She is the cause of contentment. She makes us compassionate. She causes relief from bondage.
Shanti.
She makes us forgive all.
Samyakta Varadana.
She causes equipoise.
Mahati.
Causes fulfillment of the greatest of woes.
Bodhi.
Causes enlightenment.
Buddhi. Druti. Samruddhi.
Gives us meaningful intellect. Causes firmness in our mind. Causes bliss through plenty.
Nivritti. Samadhi. Shakti. Kirti. Kanti. Radi. Virati. Shrutunga. Tripti. Daya. Vimukti. Shanti. Samyakta Varadana. Mahati. Bodhi. Buddhi. Druti. वृद्धि वृद्धि स्थिति
causes mental wealth, causes development. She stabilizes the mind.
पुष्टि नंदा भद्र विशुद्धि लब्धि
Gives growth of merit, brings joy to us. She gives protection. She purifies the soul, gives access to knowledge and wealth.
विशिष्ट दृष्टि
She causes to reflect on many sides of an issue in thought and conduct.
कल्याण
She causes physical and mental beatitude.
मंगल प्रमोद
She destroys sins and generates happiness. She gives immense joy,
विभूति
causes supernatural wealth.
रक्षा सिद्धवासा
She protects everyone. She lives in those who are liberated.
अनश्व
She stops future karmas.
केवलिस्तान
She is the abode of those who have attained salvation.
शिवा समिति
She is the nature of bliss and well-being. She brings about balanced action.
शील संयमा
She gives good nature for good conduct. She causes control of the senses and the urges.
वृद्धि वृद्धि स्थिति पुष्टि नंदा भद्र विशुद्धि लब्धि विशिष्ट दृष्टि कल्याण मंगल प्रमोद विभूति रक्षा सिद्धवासा अनश्व केवलिस्तान शिवा समिति शील संयमा शीलपरिग्रह संवर गुप्ती व्यवसाया उच्छ्रय यज्ञ आयातन जयन अप्रमद आश्वास विश्वास अवय सर्वानो अमोघत चौक्ष पवित्र शुचिपूत विमला प्रभास निर्मलता
She is the abode of good action and character.
संवर गुप्ती व्यवसाया
She stops accumulation of sins. She is silence. She causes good decision making.
उच्छ्रय यज्ञ आयातन जयन
She is the cause of good emotions. She is where greed and jealousy are sacrificed. She is the abode of all good qualities. She causes hard work and discrimination.
अप्रमद आश्वास
She causes caution. She consoles and supports.
विश्वास आवाय
She causes trust. She assures freedom and fearlessness.
सर्वानो अमोघत
She negates violence of all living beings.
चौक्ष पवित्र शुचिपूत
She is the pure one and easily realized. She is purity itself. She is clean inside and outside. She causes merit of worship.
विमला
She is devoid of dirt.
प्रभास
She causes brightness and gives an aura of illumination.
निर्मलता
She makes the soul totally clean and pure.